Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a character from the Puss in Boots movie, The Last Wish. I'm going to show you how to draw the super duper cute Perro. Okay, so I think he is just too cute not to draw. I'm going to start drawing him with the eyes. So we're going to do like a great big upside down U, and then a little line here on the bottom. And we can do a big circle here inside and a little circle. This big one, I'm going to color in all dark. Okay. So next thing, we can give a bit of space and do the other eye. So great big upside down U, and then bottom of the eye. Now our big circle is going to be in the middle, and we can do our other circle and color the biggest one in all dark. All right, so now we can go down a little bit here in the middle and do a nose. It's going to be like an upside down triangle shape. And I'm going to do a little line coming up in the middle, but not all the way. And then on the sides, I'm just going to make a little nostril. So it's just kind of like a little, almost like another upside down U, and then color that in all dark. All right, so let's do the shape of the face before we do anything else. So a nice ways above the eyes, we're gonna go, and I'm going to start on the top of the head. And you can see I'm not doing a straight line. I'm doing like little strokes of fur. Just helps to give them the texture of the fur. And we can come on up, and we're gonna start an ear. Swoop that way. And then swoop on back in, and another line following, coming back in. Now we can do lots more little textured fluffs here for the fur, and come on down by the side of the eye here, and we came outward a little bit, and then we're turning in. I think it looks pretty cute already. Okay, so I'm going to stop here for a moment and work on the mouth, the muzzle. So I'm going to do a little line and come on under the nose. And we're going to do a triangle for the tooth. One little tooth there. And then come on in. And we're going to do a little line here and a little line here. So it's like he's got his little tooth and he's doing almost like a little smile. And then the bottom of the mouth. And curve in. And we're going to do this little line above the nose here. And it's going to be the same on this side. Above the nose, and this is gonna go on up above the eyes, and you can see I'm starting to do little strokes of fur now, and then coming out over the eyes like this, and I'm gonna come on up, little strokes of fur, and I'm gonna stop there and do the rest of this side of the face before I continue on with the fur above the eye. All right, so this ear, we can do a stroke of, we can do a line up this way, and then come on down, kind of a little funny shape, and and then a little line on the inside like that. And then some strokes of fur going down the side of the face. And I'm going to start here at the mouth and then meet up with where I stopped a moment ago. Right here, and continue on, a few little strokes of fur, and we're going to give him a few little whisker bits here. All right, so I'm going to continue on right here, and then curve down, and then come on up. All right, so now we can work on his little sweater. His little sweater is in such sad shape, it looks like it's been through a lot. So we're going to do a thick neck here for the sweater. Come on along here. Another little line. And then curve this way. Right here we're curving as well. And we can come on down. Right here we're going to work on the front leg. Do a line down. And do one little toe, another one, and another one, and come on up. And I'm going to do a little toenail here, a little claw on each one of these little toes. And right here we can continue on, and that line would be going in underneath that leg and meet up with right here. And we can do the other front leg, do a line down, and then curve this way to work on the paw. So we'll do 1, 2 little toes. You can't see the other one because of the way it's on a side. But we can do a little claw here and another little claw nail. And I'm going to do a few little strokes of fur here and right here. And then we can start on the back leg. So kind of a curve and a little back foot. We've got 1, 2, 3 little toes. It's going to be a bit of a long foot. And then curving. And then curve on up again. All the way there to the back of the sweater. Right here we can do a little line for a bit of a belly. And then we can do another 1, 2, 3 little toe claws, nails, and we can do little tail. Now, right here, I'm going to do a little line, and right here as well, and then going this way. Here by the belly, I'm going to do a little line. And right here by the foot, or on the foot, I'm going to do a little line. It's going to be kind of sketchy to show the fur texture again. And there we go. We've got our sketch done, and I'm going to start on the coloring. All right, we are all finished. I think he turned out super cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and also let me know what you would like to learn how to draw. All right, everyone, I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks for drawing with me. Take care. Goodbye.